Good evening. Today we will be covering the post-market analysis dated the 29th of August 2022. Indian equity markets fell today with Nifty giving a close around 17,312. At close, Sensex was down 861.25 points with a change of 1.46% at 57,972.62 points. Markets saw heavy selling right from the opening as the US markets fell sharply, giving a negative response to Powell's speech. In response to US markets, Indian markets opened negative and heavy selling was there, especially in IT sector stocks. Only one sector managed to close in green, that is Nifty FMCG. Three stocks that have managed to be in gainers list today are Britannia, Moretti, and Nestle. Out of these, two are from FMCG sector. These three stocks rose between 0.94% to 1.67% today. On the other hand, we will talk about those three stocks which ended as top losers. They are Tech Mahindra, Infosys and Wipro. All three are IT sector stocks. IT stocks were affected the most today. They fell within the range of 2.89% to 4.56%. In terms of today's corporate news, we have the following developments. After acquiring Swiss firm Holcim stakes in ACC Limited and Ambuja Cements, the ADANI Group kicked off the Rs 31,000 crore open offer on Friday to acquire 26% additional stakes in the two cement firms. As per the current deal, the ADANI Group would take over Holcim's 63.06% stake in Ambuja, besides acquiring a direct 4.48% stake in ACC. The new bids would make the ADANI Group the parent company of India's two major cement companies. The deal marks the ports-to-energy conglomerate's entry into the cement sector. ALEMBIC Pharmaceuticals on Monday has received an approval from the US health regulator for chlorthalidone tablets, used in treating high blood pressure. The company has received final approval from the US Food and Drug Administration to market the product in the US in strengths of 25 mg and 50 mg. The product has also been found useful in edema due to various forms of renal dysfunction, such as nephrotic syndrome and chronic renal failure. Electrical and automation major ABB India has expanded and upgraded its smart power factory in Bengaluru to meet the strong demand growth for its solutions. The smart facility harnesses advanced collaborative robotics technology for better human-machine interface, artificial intelligence and advanced digitalization technologies to create a sophisticated, automated, and flexible future-ready factory. The government is likely to invite financial bids for the privatization of BEML in the December quarter. Every shareholder of BEML will get shares in BEML land assets, and the process of demerger would be completed by the end of September or early October. ICICI Bank has partnered with the National Payments Corporation of India to launch a range of credit cards on the native payments network RuPay. The first card, ICICI Bank Coral RuPay Credit Card, is a contactless card to provide users with numerous benefits of reward points on daily purchases such as shopping, utility bills, complimentary domestic airport and railway lounge access, discounts on movie tickets and dining, among others. This partnership has combined the advantages of ICICI Bank credit cards with RuPay's exclusive offerings, providing enhanced benefits to customers. ADANI Transmission Limited gained for a fifth straight session today. The stock is quoting at 3,845 rupees, up 2.5% around 1 p.m. on the NSE. ADANI Transmission Limited has risen around 17.88% in last 1 month. The volume in the stock stood at 6.28 lakh shares today, compared to the daily average of 4.78 lakh shares in last 1 month. HATHWAY Cable and Datacom Limited is up for a third straight session today. The stock is quoting at 18.25 rupees, up 8.31% around 1 p.m. on the NSE. HATHWAY Cable and Datacom Limited has gained around 7.04% in last 1 month. The volume in the stock stood at 143.31 lakh shares today, compared to the daily average of 17.82 lakh shares in last 1 month. RATNAMANI Metals and Tubes Limited is up for a fifth straight session today. The stock is quoting at 1,923 rupees, up 4.82% around 1 p.m. on the NSE. RATNAMANI Metals and Tubes Limited has gained around 8.75% in last 1 month. The volume in the stock stood at 50,058 shares today, compared to the daily average of 28,335 shares in last 1 month. That's all for today. For more such updates, like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.